extra time.
So there's a big development with regards to IPL from here in Dubai. Today, finally, there is news that Dubai Emirate has started issuing tourist visas or visitor visas for all countries. And this also includes India. So far, Dubai and the other Emirates were not issuing tourist and visitor visas for Indians and other countries. And there was a select group of countries from which tourists were not being allowed. But that has now changed since last night. Now, tourists and visitors can come from all countries, including India. What does this mean for IPL? This means that you, the fan, can travel to UAE and watch the matches. But so far, this tourist visa or visitor visa is being issued only for one emirate, and that is the Emirate of Dubai. And this whole process takes about 2 to 3 working days to be processing the visitor visa or tourist visa application. And it is available for 30 days or 90 days, depending on the requirement of the visitor or tourist coming into UAE. This is a big development considering the fact that IPL is scheduled to be played in the United Arab Emirates. But the big but is that this rider is very important, that this tourist or visitor visa is being issued only and only for Dubai and not for any other emirate. So if you're a fan, keep looking out for this information and be aware that this tourist and visitor visa for Dubai Emirate only is now available. But there will be other regulations like COVID testing before traveling, which needs to be checked up with your local travel agency before you book your ticket, before you apply for your visitor or tourist visa to come into Dubai. That's it from UAE right now on the IPL 2020.
Hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.